The future of healthcare lies in AI. The healthcare landscape is already being reshaped by AI-driven precision care. But this is just the start. Tomorrow's medical care will be administered by a self-evolving AI that serves as a constant companion to patients, using biosensors and patient knowledge to address and even preempt sickness. Even your genomics will be integrated into the AI's knowledge base. Eventually, AI will even be able to modify your genome with targeted enhancements, boosting your health or even your cognitive skills. Brain-computer interfaces will allow seamless interactions between your thoughts and your AI-driven care. Or you could take the steering wheel, with thought-controlled nanoparticles dynamically reconfiguring your cognitive landscape, addressing mental health right at the source. The nanoscale is where AI thrives, with intelligently controlled nanobot swarms, targeting the site of infection with minimal invasion, and microscopic health monitors using AI to assess cellular interactions within your bloodstream. Would you entrust AI with your healthcare?